mermaid.
I like mermaids.
I like cows too, but you eat cows.
I don't care.
Faker.
Are you faking?
I don't see
Eat
no
a
tears.
mermaid, you could have kept it
I
alive.
don't see no tears. I'm gonna poke yourself in the eyeball so you get the tears going.
Okay.
But it was good, wasn't it?
No.
You don't know. You had it in a sandwich with mayonnaise.
Mermaid sandwich. So good. Toast it up. Little ketchup on your mermaid sandwich. A lot of people like tartar sauce on it, but I don't. You know I'm joking. I'm faking it just like you are.
I don't believe.
You don't believe me?
Mm-mm.
You think I ate a mermaid?
Yes.
And a unicorn.
Yep.
Those are the two things that I like.
So why did you eat them then?
I didn't know.
What? You went back for second.